are here in Indonesia for the Asia Pacific Rally Championship, and joining me at this moment is Nikita Takle, who happens to be the only woman driver from India. Nikita, you're wearing India right here. You're the only woman driver. Am I putting pressure on you?
Not at all. Obviously, when you say the only Indian woman driver, got me goosebumps because, yeah, it was my dream to be here and to represent my flag is what I have got the opportunity from my team. The man's behind me, the team's behind me. I would like to thank VM Motorsports, JK Tires, Vamshi Marla sir, Lokesh Gowda for giving me and trusting me and giving me this opportunity to be here. And yeah, after all, we can say they are supporting women in motorsports is really appreciable.
And if I can ask you, how has it been being a woman in motorsport? You said you started back only in 2021, so obviously it's not been that long a time. But if I can ask you from an Indian perspective, how has it been being a woman in a male-dominated spectrum?
As per my knowledge, I really never felt this is a male-dominated sport because, yeah, we have been standing there strongly competing against the guys, and yeah, we have got good wins. So I never feel it's a male-dominant sport at all.
And when we talk about Indonesia, we can imagine right now it's raining so heavily. What sort of challenges are you looking at when you compete?
Yeah, it is very challenging to drive in such a weather. So hopefully, fingers crossed, for the rally day, I would like sun to be there, let the terrain dry because it's too slippery. There are too many rocks and all. So yeah, looking forward.
And what do you think about this sport's progress in India? Do you think more people are connecting with it, or do you think there's a long gap that needs to be bridged?
What I feel is after men's being like that in motorsports, Vamsi Marla sir, I don't think it's going to be a long gap. Yeah, we'll soon see new competitors competing against the international drivers, and yeah, we will raise our flag much more higher soon.
And you were speaking earlier as well, and you said that one of the aims that you have is to finish this particular rally here as well. So is that a conscious goal that you're aiming at, and what is it that we can expect from you after Indonesia as well?
Yes, as I told, I really want to finish this rally because I really want good points with me. So I don't want to push a lot, but yeah, I really want to win. Who does not want to win? Next, I would like to be there in Japan at the finals. Would not like to talk much about Japan because we do not know what's next. So yeah.
Thank you, Nikita, and wishing you all the very best for the race weekend.
Thank you so much.